Now this morning, starting out on a very warm note in Salt Lake where it's 77, about 20 degrees cooler in Park City in the mid 50s, but you're in the low 80s right now in Green River, and in St. George you've only dropped down to 85. Now things have quieted down quite a bit. We have a few sprinkles still lingering here and there, a few showers, mainly over eastern Utah, Grand County, north of I-70. Those will be tapering off pretty quickly. But while we get a break this morning, today will pretty much end up being a repeat of what we had yesterday. There's still high pressure centered near the Four Corners area. With that being the case, it stays very hot, and moisture will continue to get pulled north around that high pressure and become more widespread across the state, fueling more showers and thunderstorms. Now, this morning, there's just a slight chance of a few of those showers, but heading into the afternoon, they'll start to pop up and become most likely this evening. In the far north, there might be dry storms with just some gusty winds developing, but any of the storms could potentially bring some heavy rain, and the better chance of that would be over southern, central, and parts of eastern Utah later today. Now, if those storms develop early enough, it might knock a couple degrees off the temperature, but we're forecasting 102 in Salt Lake, still well above normal for this time of year, but staying just shy of record territory. Upper 90s in Logan, you'll make it near 90 in Price and Cedar City this afternoon, 103 in St. George. In general, partly cloudy, but then again, with the storms popping up, it'll become overcast later this afternoon in those areas. By tomorrow, it'll become sunny in St. George with a high of 105. It looks like things quiet down this weekend in the southwest corner of the state, but across much of southern, central, and eastern Utah, some of the same trouble spots as today. We'll get thunderstorms lingering through the weekend. But in the north, dry air is going to start to move in as early as tomorrow. So while we'll have a slight chance of thunderstorms on Friday, they become a lot less likely over the weekend. Great news if you got outdoor plans, even though some of those could pop up over the mountains. So keep that in mind. Temperatures are still going to be baking hot. We'll hit 104 by Sunday and still hover near 100 through at least the first half of next week. So, Danny, no break from the hot weather.